In this video, I'll show you how to use the matrix node in Fusion so you can create that famous matrix effect. Here, you'll learn about the matrix node settings, how to customize them, and how to place the matrix effect inside text. First, right-click on an empty space in the media pool and select New Fusion Composition to create a new Fusion composition. Then, double-click on it to enter the Fusion page. From the Effects menu, go to Templates, Fusion, Particles, and add the matrix node. Connect its output to the media in one input. This way, the Fusion page output will be sent to the Edit page. Density controls how many matrix code lines appear. Lowering it gives you fewer lines, while increasing it fills the screen with more. The depth option in the matrix node is used to add a 3D feel to the effect. It controls the depth of the matrix code lines, making them look closer to or farther from the screen. Now I'll show you how to customize the matrix code lines, like changing their font or color. To do this, just double-click on the matrix node, and you'll see that it's actually made up of a group of connected nodes. Select the text node and double-click its name in the inspector panel to see all the text settings. Here you can change the font, adjust the matrix code color, and even resize the code. By default, the matrix effect codes include uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and numbers. If you want only numbers, go to the Modifier tab, and just go to the Modifier tab and remove the letters from the Substitute Chars field. This way, the matrix code will show only numbers. To bring the letters back, just right-click on the field and select Reset to Default. Now go to the Edit page to apply the effect on the timeline. First, I'll add a video with a black background to the timeline. Then place the Fusion composition we created on top of it, and as you can see, the green matrix characters start showing up over the video. To place the matrix effect inside your text, first move the Fusion composition layer one level up. Then, add a new text layer between the two previous layers. Type in your desired text and slightly increase the font size. Next, make sure the text layer is selected. Go to the Settings tab and set its composition mode to Alpha. Then, select the Fusion composition layer and change its composition mode to foreground. You will now see the matrix effect appear inside your text. The Alpha composition mode, when applied to the bottom layer, acts like a container for the top layer, which has the foreground composition mode applied to it. The issue here is that the text border looks transparent, and that's because the matrix effect has a transparent background. Go to the Fusion page, select the matrix node, and you'll see that its background is transparent. Since the background is transparent, we can easily change it. Just select the matrix node, then from the top toolbar, add a background node. A merge node will be created automatically. Now select the background node and change its color, for example, to white. Right-click on the merge node and choose Swap Input, or just press Ctrl-T. This will place the matrix effect on top of the white background. The merge node has three inputs. In this case, the matrix node is connected to the background input, and the background node is connected to the foreground input. So the white background is layered over the matrix effect. But with Swap Input, the two inputs switch places. Before we go to the Edit page and see the result, I'll change the color of the matrix codes to black. The matrix effect is now inside the text. As a result, the text has a different color and border than the video background we placed on the bottom layer. But there's still another problem. The matrix effect doesn't completely cover the entire text. To fix this, go back to the Fusion page and increase the size of the matrix effect. To make the matrix effect look cooler, you can add a glow effect. Just select the matrix node hit Control Space, search for the glow node, and add it. So far, I've explained the density and depth options in the matrix node, which affect the thickness and 3D look of the matrix code. Next, we will discuss the two remaining options. The matrix effect covers the whole screen by default. If you want to make it smaller or place it in a specific area, you'll need to use the render width and render height options. By increasing the render width, the effect's length will increase and it will become more stretched out. Similarly, increasing the render height will make the effect's height taller. After you've adjusted these two options, make sure the matrix node is selected, then press Control Space to search for and add a transform node. When you add a transform node, a green box pops up around the effect along with a circular handle in the center. By grabbing that handle, you can move the matrix effect after resizing it to wherever you want. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed to the channel and shared your comments and experiences with me in the comments.